Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will help how to get an anime Vanguard's Discord server. Start by preparing a real Discord account with a clear avatar and username that follow the server rules. Next, read the server description and pinned posts to find join instructions and required roles. If verification is needed, follow each step carefully and keep screenshots of any confirmation messages for reference and troubleshooting. Look for official links on trusted social profiles, fan hubs, or Discord listing sites to find the invite. Verify the invite is current and avoid expired or reposted links that might be outdated. If you find multiple invites, pick the one from a verified or well-known source to reduce risk. Always cross-check with community posts or moderators to confirm the invite is legitimate and relevant to anime Vanguards. Quick recommendation and a small favor. If this guide helped you, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. On another note, I found The Simple Path to Wealth a great book for reshaping money habits, and it pairs oddly well with earning and saving for hobby expenses. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy it, it might change your approach to spending on fandom. Now let's get back to the video. After opening the invite, accept the server rules and complete any verification or age checks shown by Discord or the server bot. Answer welcome questions honestly and complete CAPTCHA challenges to receive starter roles and channel access. Then post a short introduction in the designated channel, following the pinned onboarding instructions so moderators can assign proper roles and you can join conversations smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.